What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm back with another update on Kaspa. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so in the last 7 days, Kaspa has actually enjoyed a decent pump. They're up just under 10%, but at their peak they were up about 11%, and they're currently trading at just over 12 cents. Now their market cap is 2.8 billion, which ranks 39th among all cryptocurrencies. And then their circulating supply is about 23.6 billion out of a max supply of 28.7 billion, which is about 82.2% in circulation. But overall, this is very good to see because in my last video I said we were at crucial levels, and I'll get into technical analysis at the end of the video, but we were sitting just beneath the 786. But if you guys are looking to buy Kaspa, I recommend using KuCoin or MEXC. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll take a look at the Kaspa X account, which has just under 200,000 followers. And they just pinned a new tweet on May 9th. It's a great honor to present this discussion between two great minds. And this is between the head of research of Uphold and Kaspa's founder, Jonathan Sompolinsky. So if you guys are interested in watching the discussion, click on the link. And then they also gave shoutouts to the educational video contest winners. But overall, there really hasn't been a lot of super important information since my last Kaspa video. So now we'll take a look at some macro news that could affect Kaspa's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Kaspa. So this is Watcher Guru's X account. And they just posted 2 hours ago how it started versus how it's going. JP Morgan CEO says Bitcoin is a fraud and a Ponzi scheme. And then now JP Morgan discloses spot Bitcoin ETF portfolio. It's funny how the tables turn. And then 7 hours ago, billionaire Mark Cuban says Gary Gensler and the SEC are trying to destroy the crypto industry. And I love that he's taking this stance, but I don't really think this is new information. I think a lot of people are well aware of that. But to go along with that, he said SEC Chair Gary Gensler has not protected a single investor against crypto fraud. All he has done is make it nearly impossible for legitimate crypto companies to operate. And I don't really think you can even argue against this. So sooner or later, there's going to have to be some change. And then on May 10th, Wells Fargo, America's third largest bank, discloses spot Bitcoin ETF holdings. So at this point, everyone's starting to get involved. And then lastly, on May 8th, the former president announces he is accepting presidential campaign donations in cryptocurrency. And this is actually very exciting to see. I don't like discussing politics on my channel because I think all it does is divide our country. However, I have a feeling that we're going to get to a point in time where as a candidate, you cannot be against crypto. If you are going to get run over. But while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day, and I'm constantly calling out opportunities that I'm seeing in the market. So I think you guys might get some very useful information. And then I also would like to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, but there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And a lot of the cryptos that we trade in here are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap. For example, just today we 2x'd our money in less than 5 hours, and then we made 108% in less than a day, 250% in 2 days. But the gains just go on and on. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We are building a very strong community. I would love to have you guys in here. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Kaspa on the 4 hour. And what's very exciting to see is that price action had gotten back above all of the moving averages. The 200-day in particular, that is huge. Now at the current moment, we have broken back beneath the 21-day, which is not ideal to see. However, as long as we can stay above the 200-day, I'm not going to be worried at all. And there's a decent chance that we do drop a little bit further and then we get a bounce off of the 200-day. But honestly, at the current moment, I would look for Kaspa to continue flagging out and again, potentially get a bounce off of the 200-day. And bull flags break up 68% of the time, and this bull flag in particular would have a measure move to just under 14.5 cents. Now, is that guaranteed to play out? No, it's not. But as long as we can stay above these moving averages, I wouldn't be surprised if it does. Now, whether or not we get all the way up to 14 cents, I don't know. But I wouldn't be surprised if we at least retest this local high. But yeah, in general, a lot of good things in Kaspa. Just watch the moving averages, though. You do not want to see us break right back beneath the 200-day. Now, lastly, we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And this is where things start to get a little bit worse. Now, unlike Kaspa, which is forming a bull flag, you could argue that Bitcoin is actually forming a bear flag. And bear flags break down 68% of the time, and this would have a measure move down to about 58,100. Now, obviously, this is also not guaranteed to play out. But the issue is that at the moment, we are trading beneath all of the moving averages. So even if we do start to get a little bit of a breakout, we have to be very careful of a possible bearish retest, which could send us right back down. And at the current moment, we have very little buy pressure. So to be completely honest with you, I'm not going to be super bullish on a lot of altcoins until Bitcoin can get back above these moving averages, especially the 200-day. We have not been above the 200-day since April 12th, all the way back here when we broke beneath it. And believe me when I tell you, I am not the only person that trades the 200-day. A lot of other people are going to feel the exact same way. So it is very important that we get back above this level. If we cannot, expect more downside for the entire crypto market. Obviously, some cryptos can move on their own, but most of them do not. But as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is still an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Kaspa will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.